Have you ever wondered how the soothing aromatic tea in your cup is made? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of Lipton tea, from lush green plantations to the comforting brew you enjoy at home. Stick around as we uncover the science, art, and dedication behind one of the world's most beloved tea brands. Lipton tea's journey began in the late 1800s with Sir Thomas Lipton, an ambitious entrepreneur from Glasgow, Scotland. Starting as a cabin boy at 16, Sir Thomas later returned to help his parents' grocery store flourish, eventually opening a chain of stores. His fascination with tea grew when he saw its potential as an affordable luxury. To make tea accessible to everyone, he bought his first tea estate in Ceylon, now Sri Lanka, innovating tea production and transportation to reduce costs. Sir Thomas revolutionized the tea industry by eliminating middlemen, packaging tea in multiple weight options, and popularizing tea bags. His marketing genius, paired with his commitment to quality, helped Lipton become a household name. Today, Lipton continues to be a global leader, offering a diverse range of teas to suit every taste. All tea, whether black, green, or herbal, originates from the Camellia sinensis plant. This evergreen shrub thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. Lipton sources its tea leaves from some of the best plantations worldwide, including Sri Lanka, Kenya, and India. These locations provide the perfect combination of warm temperatures, high altitudes, and ample rainfall, all essential for growing top-quality tea. The journey of Lipton tea begins in lush green plantations. The tea bushes are carefully cultivated to ensure maximum yield and quality. Lipton employs sustainable farming practices, including the use of organic fertilizers and water conservation techniques. Young tea plants are often grown in nurseries before being transplanted to the main fields. Once planted, the bushes take about 3 years to mature. During this time, they are meticulously cared for with regular pruning to encourage healthy growth. A fully grown tea bush can produce new shoots every 7 to 15 days during the growing season. Harvesting tea is both an art and a science. At Lipton's plantations, skilled workers, often called pluckers, handpick the youngest and most tender leaves. These consist of 2 top leaves and a bud, collectively known as the flush. This meticulous process ensures that only the finest leaves are selected for processing. The freshly plucked leaves are then transported to the factory in specially designed containers to prevent damage and preserve their freshness. Once at the factory, the leaves undergo the first stage of processing, withering. The leaves are spread out on large troughs where warm air is gently blown over them. This process reduces the moisture content of the leaves, making them pliable for further processing. Withering typically lasts 12 to 18 hours, depending on the ambient conditions and desired tea profile. Next comes the rolling process, which plays a crucial role in shaping the tea leaves and releasing their natural juices. The leaves are fed into mechanical rollers that twist and break them, exposing the enzymes inside. This step not only gives the tea its characteristic shape, but also initiates the oxidation process, which is essential for developing flavor and aroma. Oxidation, often referred to as fermentation, is a pivotal step in tea processing. During this stage, the rolled leaves are spread out in temperature and humidity-controlled rooms. Here, the natural enzymes in the leaves react with oxygen, causing a chemical transformation. For black tea, the leaves are allowed to oxidize fully, turning a rich brown color and developing a robust flavor. In contrast, green tea undergoes minimal oxidation, preserving its fresh, grassy notes. Lipton's tea masters closely monitor this process to achieve the perfect balance of taste and aroma. Once the desired level of oxidation is reached, the leaves are dried to halt the process and lock in their flavor. The leaves are passed through large ovens or dryers where they are exposed to high temperatures for a specific duration. This reduces their moisture content to less than 3%, ensuring long-term shelf stability. The drying process also enhances the tea's color and brings out its signature fragrance. After drying, the tea leaves are sorted and graded based on their size and quality. Larger, intact leaves are typically used for loose-leaf tea, while smaller fragments are reserved for tea bags. Lipton employs advanced sieving machines to ensure uniformity and precision during the grading process. One of Lipton's secrets to consistent quality lies in its blending process. Tea leaves from different regions and harvests are expertly combined to create the signature Lipton flavor. The blending process is overseen by Lipton's team of tea tasters, who have years of experience and highly trained palates. The tasters evaluate hundreds of tea samples daily, assessing factors like color, aroma, and taste to maintain the brand's high standards. Finally, the tea is packaged to preserve its freshness. Lipton uses state-of-the-art machinery to seal the tea in moisture-proof bags or containers. The packaging process is designed to ensure that the tea remains as fresh as the day it was processed, whether it's destined for tea bags, loose-leaf tins, or instant tea powders. Lipton is committed to sustainability at every step of the production process. The brand sources its tea from Rainforest Alliance certified trademark plantations, ensuring ethical labor practices and environmental conservation. From reducing carbon emissions to promoting biodiversity, Lipton's efforts go beyond just making great tea. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Lipton tea, from verdant plantations to the comforting cup in your hand. The next time you sip on a steaming cup of Lipton tea, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of history, innovation, and dedication that have gone into crafting this beloved beverage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Factory Made for more fascinating behind-the-scenes stories. Thanks for watching.